Hi, this is Resilient Kent Lau. Now, if you receive a data like this, right? Uh, it's typical, and what do you do with this? Now, in the latest Excel tools, there is this Excel table and do a lot of fantastic things. Now, first of all, why do we use Excel table, right? Now, let's just show you that, right? Let's say, suppose I want to do a sum of the sales amount here. Okay, so okay, not too bad, right? The sum can be done. The thing is that if I added one more data here, guess what? I need to manually change it, right? Would it be good that Excel can help me to automatic sum it, right? Automatic. The key is automatic. So at the moment, I need to manually done it, right? After I set up it, I still need to adjust it manually. So how do I solve that? Is that Excel come up with this tool called Excel table. So very simple, right? You just turn this wherever you have this data. You press Control T right in the middle of the. It can be this cell or this cell, right? Within the data set would be good. Then you put Control T, yeah, to create a table, and then click OK, and that's it. Yep, that's it. This is Excel table. Now we give a name for this table, right? So we can start with the prefix of table, and after that, type in sales. Okay, sales. Let's see, enter. Is that working? No, oh, that taken already. So let me just change it to sales for maybe a region. Okay, or sales MY will do good, right? For the country. Okay, so now I have done this. Now watch this, right? Equals sum, and then I select this table. So to select the table, I just need to type in table, and know that it's called the table sales my, right? This is the table I just give a name, and I want to let Excel knows that which column that I want to sum, right? So sales amount column, right? So put a square bracket, sales amount column, and close square bracket, and close parenthesis and enter. So everything seems the same, right? But what's the difference is that if I just add one more here, enter. Oh, look at that, right? I no longer need to manually change it. That's the power of Excel table, right? So what's the next amazing tools that Excel come out recently is that you can do a uh, you can create a unique list, right, with the unique, right? Gone is those days, right? Those days, if you want to do get a unique list, you need to click here and go here, 1 2 3 4, okay, then you memorize it or write in a piece of paper, and then you start typing out east, north, south, west. So you need to type it here: east, north, south, west, right? So this is only four region. What if some of these product category, right? It's like 20 over categories. You need to type it one by one. Or you can also use another method is that you highlight this, copy this, and you put it somewhere here. Okay, and with that you go to data tab. You go to remove duplicate here, remove duplicate, and then you click OK, and yes, you got a list. This is the way it remove the duplicate. So pretty good, right? You can use that also. The only thing is that it is not dynamic, right? What I'm saying, the dynamic, you short in a short while, you know, right? So now, how do I get the unique use feature? It says unique. Okay, first of all, I want to know what is the table name. For this table name, I go to select this. I go to table design, and yes, it's called department sales, right? So yeah, I'm going to use that. So if I want to get a list of unique value, I can just type unique. Just like previous video, previous sessions, I talk about the department table. I give Excel the Excel table, and then I tell Excel that I want only the region column. Close parenthesis and enter, and you can see that east, west, north, south. Okay, so east, west, north, south, right? If the south repeat 2 times, it will be just 1 time. Now if I just add one more center, now look at that, right? A unique will show an additional item. The previous method where we use the remove duplicate is not dynamic, right? Because it does not reflect the change. You have to manually change again one more time. Again, data automation achieved, right? So the next thing is that we want to do a count on this list, right? How do we do that? We just need to wrap it with the count A, right? So you just learned already that I done a unique list here. So I just need to go here and type again count A, open parenthesis, okay, and close with this count A function. So you have the uniques. This is a 5 item, and you just count it, and that is 5 items right there. Now if I just delete one of these, and it's not there, right? I would say that let me just okay. So I have four items. See, that's pretty cool, right? So thanks for watching. You just learn the essence of using Excel table. Okay, Excel table. Why you should use Excel table? And it's simple as this. Okay, it's very powerful. And also, how do you use the unique function? Okay, in the next video, I'll talk about how to use a unique in a data in a drop-down list, and also filter. And thanks for watching. God bless you.